Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming you're on a Samsung phone or tablet and that Samsung Internet is installed. Once done, open the Samsung Internet app. Make sure you're on the main page. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, located at the bottom or top right of the screen. You're now ready to enter settings. Don't hesitate. This first step gets you directly into the app controls that expose site and content preferences you'll adjust next. You'll now navigate deeper. Tap Settings, then choose Sites and Downloads to reach website permissions. Once there, look for the Allow JavaScript toggle. The label may vary slightly, but it's explicit. Turn the toggle on to enable scripts. If you prefer Chrome instead of Samsung Internet, go to Chrome Settings, then Site Settings, then JavaScript, enable it. This step is critical because JavaScript controls interactive features. Enabling it allows dynamic. After enabling JavaScript, close and reopen the browser so changes apply cleanly. You can also restart the device for certainty. If a site still breaks, clear cache and cookies via Settings Privacy, delete browsing data, then reload the page. Make sure site-specific blockers aren't active. If issues persist, test the site in safe mode or try another browser to isolate the problem. One key tip: disable any content blockers temporarily, because they often prevent JavaScript from running.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.